video. Maayong bunta guys. Naglingkod ko rin taon sa lamesa guys. Kapoy ko malabang sa ako guys. Dinosaur. Oh, dinosaur. Rotitor. Rotitor. Dinosaur. Oh. Sus guys, kapoy ko. May bata akong gibantayan. Paano? Kapoy yun, naglaba pa ko. Paglaban ko, ani ron yun, may bata. Ay, remote dong! Thank you. Thank you. Thank you dong. Apo guys. Guys. Kapoy ko. Labad po dito. Agay! Malpal ko. Ano mamalpal man ka? Taas. Mabunog mo taniya. Bunalan mo taniya. Kod-lingkod lang taan. Ito na.
Wrench is ready when rudder is all set. That's my signal. Look, wrench on.
Pwede ko sa silong manghipos-pos ko. Gagawin mo guys, ang trabaho. Ay, sakit akong hawak. Kuda ko. Yung tubig. Dali.
You got it free. Yes. Here goes the ship. Look, it's like she's sailing again. Want to take a ride? Let's do it. Ahoy, land lovers! It's Captain Blackbird.
As mayor of Adventure Bay, I am thrilled and proud to play such a very, very, very important part in solving the mystery of the pirate Captain Blackbird.
Okay, everyone, let's see what's in the ship. Marshall, put up your ladder. Aye, aye, right. Captain Turbot, can you give me a hand?
Sure thing, Ryder.
Let's go. Wait, be eager. What do you think the treasure could be? Oh, your treasure! Wow! Thanks, Captain.
Thank you for saving me from that cave.
Whenever there's
Eh,
a problem,
pagsunod.
just yell or help. Yeah, open it, Ryder.
Bugsong ko sa ubo guys. Limpo ko sa mga ground.
Sorry, it's locked. I've got this.
Gangit-ngit na miri guys. Maraming gabi. Bigraw na mo guys. Salog man siya guys. Kawayan eh. Bigraw ba? Tapos. Ay, kayo. Maglangob. Bye-bye guys. Bye-bye. Pasaka naman ko sa taas guys, no? No? Awa dong. Saka. Ya, sala da yun. Sala. Hagdan. Sala guys. Bye-bye.